Hey guys, so in this video I'll be showing you how I achieve this cute, simple, all-purpose look. You can pretty much wear this look anywhere for any occasion, and yes, it's definitely one of my faves. So let go. So I'm starting on an old braid out style that I did a few days ago, and I'm just going to part my hair off to the side, close to the crown but not exactly at the crown. Then I'm going to part down towards my ear, and this is giving us the section for the twists. So this part is optional. I am going to be creating a little sideburn twist type of thing. I like this added on to my look. It just gives it a little more pop, but you don't have to do it if you don't want to, of course. And I'm just doing the same thing to the other side. Okay, so now I'm just mixing my hair with water. I like to go in with the water simply because my hair gets really dry really fast and I need a lot of moisture. Now I'm applying my moisturizer. I'll leave the details of what I use down in the description box. Yes, I definitely use a generous amount of this moisturizer, y'all, because like I said, my hair needs a lot of moisture. It's very dense, very thick, and very dry at times. And I apply this using praying hands because that's the best way to apply anything. Now, using my DIY Shea Butter mix, I'm applying the same generous amount using the same technique. Look at that moisture. Yes. Okay. So now I'm going to take my headband and I'm going to create a ponytail. And then I'm going to take a medium-sized section from that ponytail and I'm going to twist it up. And I'm going to do this for the entire ponytail. So I'm going to take those same twists and I'm going to wrap them around to create my bun. I just freestyled this. You just kind of got a feel for where you want each twist to go. Luckily mine came out perfect on the first try and it came out really cute. Okay, so now we're going to work on this front section. I'm just doing the same thing I did for the rest of my head in the back. Applying water, applying my moisturizer, and then I'm going to apply my Shea Butter mix. For this part of my hair, I'm going to start by creating a section, and I'm going to begin twisting. The twists are going to be kind of small, but not too small. But feel free to make your twists however big or small you like. And here's what the twists look like when I'm all done. Now I'm going to start by pinning them towards the back. And you just got to kind of play around with it, see where you want to position the twist. And I use bobby pins, and then I used a couple hairpins for the smaller twist in the front. Now I'm doing my side twist, aka sideburn twist. And you just want to apply the same product you use for the rest of your head. If you want to use gel, you can use gel. I personally didn't want to use gel for this because I'm all about moisture right now at this point. Now I'm applying a bit of edge control And you cannot have this look or any type of cute, sleek look without some edge control, girl. Who told you that? I'm just kidding. But yeah, I like to go in with a little bit of edge control for this look. Smooth it back with a brush. Get it nice and slick. And of course, in order to maintain that sleek look, you have to apply your scarf. And here's the finished look after about 10-15 minutes. It came out really cute, really bomb. Like, I love this look, y'all. Y'all don't understand. It got me through. This summer was critical. But you can wear this style pretty much anywhere, for any event, any occasion, and definitely any season, girl. Yes. If you enjoyed watching this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Also, feel free to leave a comment below letting me know if you achieved this look and what products you use, girl. Let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome hair videos. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.